Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our Java tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to learn about basic structure of Java program. As you can see on the above screen, we are able to see the Eclipse IDE in which we have written a Hello World Java program. So before understanding this concept in a programming manner, we need to understand the theory behind it. So I will explain the theory. As mentioned now, we need to be strong in the basics in order to write a Java program. Now coming on towards basic structure of a Java program. There are three essential components of a Java program. One is package declaration, another is import statement, and finally class definition. As you have seen earlier, in Eclipse IDE we had written a Hello World program which consists of all these components. So let us discuss one by one. Now coming on towards our first component of a Java program, which is package declaration. A package declaration in Java serves as a way to organize and categorize classes into distinct namespaces. As we are familiar that Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language, so to write a Java program, we use multiple classes. So to organize and categorize those classes into distinct namespaces, we are using this package declaration. Now coming on towards the overview of package declaration. Overview refers to that what is the purpose, syntax, and many other things which we are going to be seeing in the further slides. Now coming on towards the purpose. The purpose of using this package is helpful in grouping related classes, interfaces and other resources together. About interfaces we will be going to deal in the upcoming lectures. Now just focus on classes. The main purpose of using this package declaration is that while we are writing a large number of lines in a code, it becomes a large code base. So in order to manage that code base and to promote the code reusability, we are using this package declaration format. Now syntax. The package declaration is placed at top of a Java source file. The package is placed at the top of the Java source file, which is followed by a import statements and class definitions. Now coming on towards the convention of writing a package name. Package names are typically in lowercase letters. All the letters which we are using to write a package name must be in lowercase. They often mirror the reverse domain name of the organization, followed by specific project or package names separated by dots. The convention which I mentioned now will be used in writing large Java projects. So let us only focus on package names must be written in lowercase letters. Now coming on towards the access control. Package visibility controls access to classes and members. Means classes and members within a package can be accessed within a package. If we declare that class as public, then another packages which we are writing in a given Java file can be accessed. Now importance. Package declarations help maintain code organization. As discussed earlier, the main purpose of using this package is to maintain code, which makes it easier to locate and manage classes. So in order to manage these classes and locate them in an easier manner, we are going to use this package declaration. Also, the packages play a crucial role in Java's access control mechanisms. This is all about package declaration. Now coming on towards our next essential component, which is import statement. Import statements in Java are crucial for bringing classes and packages from external libraries into your program. Means the classes and packages which are not present in the given package, that is which are present in the external libraries. So in order to bring them from there into the given package, we are going to use import statement. Import statement contributes to modular and organized nature of Java programming. Modular and organized nature means the program will be in an organized way. Now overview of import statements. The purpose of using these import statements is that it enables us the use of classes and functions defined in other packages or libraries. As mentioned earlier, it helps us to use the classes and functions defined in other packages or libraries. As you can see here, I have mentioned in a comment. The comment refers to that the Java compiler will not read these lines to execute the given program. It will just ignore. The given lines written in comment are for developer or user reference. As mentioned here, import statements if needed. The usage of import statements is according to the usage of the developer. So in this given scenario, we are not using import statements. To demonstrate an example of import statement, import java.util.scanner. Java.util.scanner. This is a kind of import statement where we are importing scanner class from util package of Java. Scanner class refers to that in normal C programming language we were using scanf statement to give the input from the user. So here scanner class is used to take input from the user, which we'll be discussing in the upcoming lectures. So now just let us focus on what is import statements and its example. Now the syntax of import statement, as you have seen earlier, as I discussed now, import java.util.scanner. The syntax is as follows: import package name dot class name. Java util is a package, class name is scanner class. To import all classes from a package. The another format is that import package name dot star. You can read import java util dot star, java.util dot star. It is okay. Now coming on towards the usage. We import classes to use their methods and properties. We cannot use the methods present in a scanner class without importing them into the given program. For instance, we might import, as you are all familiar with the array concepts, to import an array or to import the methods of an array, we use java.util.arraylist. Now location. As you have seen earlier, import statements appear at the top of the Java file after the package declaration if present. Now coming on towards the third essential component to write a Java program, which is class declaration. A class in a Java is a fundamental building block of object-oriented programming. The whole Java program revolves around the class usage. Understanding class definitions is crucial for designing well-structured and modular Java programs. So in order to write a well-structured and modular Java programs, class definition is a very much important concept to understand. Now, overview of class declaration. We are familiar with the definition that a class is a blueprint for a given program, where a class defines the structure and behavior of objects. The whole thing in the Java program is based on object oriented. It deals with, or it revolves around the concept of creation of classes and objects. It specifies what attributes and methods an object of that class will have. Every class consists of two things. One is the field, that is in normal C programming or other programming languages we are using variables, constants. These all refers to the concept of fields in Java. And methods. Methods refers to the declaration or usage of functions in C programming language. Here we call it as methods. An object of that class will have. As the whole concept is around the object, the fields and methods will be used with the help of an object which we have created. Now coming on towards its syntax. Public class main, where main is a class name. Inside this main class we are going to write the fields, the constructors and the methods. Now coming on towards the syntax of class declaration. Public class main, where main is the name of the class and it contains these many fields, constructors and methods. Now let us deal with an example. Example of Java program. As shown here, it is an example of Java program. To understand it in a very much clear manner, let us write the same program in our Eclipse IDE and try to understand it there. Now we are back to our Eclipse IDE. We can see that the class definition part starts from here. As you can see here, the class definition starts with the line public class hello world. Here hello world is the name of the class. The purpose of writing this Java program here is that it is declaring a class named hello world, which is consisting of a main function, where main function or main method refers to the entry point of the program. Without writing a main function, you cannot access or cannot write any of these methods or statements present here. So now coming on towards these keywords prefixed along with the main. Public static void, where public is an access specifier which refers that this main method can be used publicly within the class or within the package. Static means the main method can be called or created without the creation of objects. Void means the main method does not return any value on its execution. String arguments. String is a class present in a Java program which can be accessed using package java.lang.string, and args refers to the arguments. This line is basically for entering input to the Java program by means of a command prompt. But as there is advancement in technology, we are writing all these programs in an IDE, so no need of entering the input in with the help of a command prompt. We can directly run the program on IDE itself. Now entering the main method, we can see here an example statement. System.out.println hello world. The given statement is used to print the text enclosed within the double quotes hello world, where println is a method used to print this string, and system.out. System.out is a class which helps to access this println method. The class must start with a open brace and end with a curly brace, and this similar logic also applies to the main method. So to overall summarize this concept, there are three essential components while writing a Java program. One is the package declaration, another is the import statements, and another is the class Definition. Now we have created a class named Hello World, which is inside a package project 1, which belongs to a package named project 1, and it consists of a main method where main method is used to print the string hello world. Now let us compile and run this Java program. In a Java program, as it is an interpreted language, the compiler will translate the high-level language code into a byte code, which will be then executed while running by Java virtual machine into a machine understandable code. So let us run the Java project. We have successfully got the hello world as output. Ending note. I advise you all to embrace your each day with curiosity and an open heart, as every moment holds a potential for growth, learning, and new experiences. So that's all for today. Thank you.